Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from NY Detective. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. This video follows officers responding after reports of a vehicle linked to an outstanding warrant. What begins as a routine effort to locate that vehicle quickly becomes a test of communication, decision-making, and how officers handle a developing situation. The breakdown starts now.
How you doing? How you doing? May I have your driver's license and registration, please?
May I ask why you stopped me?
May I have your driver's license and
I
registration?
can ask why you stopped.
This stop begins with officers making contact, but the early interaction already suggests this may not stay routine. The tone and behavior are about to shape how officers respond next.
Stop me. I'm ex-military. I know.
Yeah, and I'm going to tell you as soon as I get your driver's license.
And when you tell me why you stopped me, I'll pass this over, right? No problem.
That's not how this works, ma'am. I don't
It
have
is
to
how it
no,
works.
It's not.
You do.
Ma'am, if you don't give me your driver's license, you're going to get a charge for resisting.
How?
That's how that works. So let me have your driver's license.
How?
The officer continues asking for her license, but instead of complying, she becomes increasingly argumentative. If that continues, officers may decide it's time to have her step out of the vehicle to regain control of the stop.
Ma'am, give me your driver's license.
What are you pulling me over for? Because you see my driver's license right here in my hand. It says driver's license.
Hand it to me, please.
What are you pulling me over for? I'm just asking because I have a right.
Yeah, and I don't have to tell it to you.
Yes, you do. You do.
Once I identify you, I'll tell you.
Listen.
The officer is simply trying to confirm her identity, but she's making that process more difficult. As long as she believes the stop is on her terms, officers are likely to keep pressing for compliance before moving forward.
No, you listen.
You do have to tell me why you're pulling me over.
Because right now you're going to catch a charge for resisting.
Okay, and I'm going to sue the shit out of every police department, everybody in this. I'm ex-military and I know my rights.
Give me your ID.
I know my rights.
Give me your ID, ma'am.
Hey, exit the vehicle now.
After repeated attempts to gain compliance, officers are now directing her to step out of the vehicle. That decision signals they're shifting tactics to regain control of the stop, and what happens next will likely determine how this unfolds.
Because you're doing too much. You're doing too much.
Come on out of the car.
Don't touch me, and I pass my license over. Don't touch me. Don't.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Easy.
Hey, record that shit. Record that shit.
Officers have now removed her from the vehicle after she refused repeated commands. As she's being detained, she tells the passenger to record the interaction, but the immediate priority for officers is getting her safely into handcuffs, and that may not happen without resistance.
Stop resisting. Stop.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you're touching up. Turn away from me. Stop.
I have a bad shoulder. Ow! I have a bad shoulder. Ow!
Stop.
I have a bad shoulder. I told you I'm ex-military. God damn it, I have a real bad shoulder.
The encounter ended with the driver being taken into custody without further incident. According to the case outcome, she was charged with resisting and drug possession. This case shows how refusing lawful instructions can quickly turn a routine stop into an arrest. What are your thoughts on how this encounter unfolded? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's the end of today's breakdown. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, how do you think this situation went down? Did the officers handle it the right way, or would you have done something differently? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Bodycam Breakdown.